Today we're making one of my favorites, broccoli and cheddar cheese soup. It is so simple and easy, guys. I know you can make it. I know you'll enjoy it. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so to this hot pan, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, so next we're going to saute half of a medium-sized onion in this butter. And we're gonna saute these until they are nice and soft. Next, we're gonna take 1/4 of a cup of flour. Doesn't matter if it's self-rising or all-purpose. And we're gonna add that to the onions and butter. And this is gonna become our thickening agent. And just give that a nice stir. I'm gonna cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now that we have that caramel brown looking color, we're gonna add 1 can of chicken broth. And that, I'm using the low sodium one so I can control the salt in the recipe. And give that a nice whisk. Make sure there are no lumps in there, so make it nice and smooth. And then we'll get ready to add the half and half next. So we're gonna use 2 cups of the half and half. And again, we just wanna make sure this is all incorporated with the chicken broth, the flour, the onions, and the butter. So we'll give it a good whisk here. Make sure there are no lumps in there. Next, we're gonna go in with some ground nutmeg. I'm just gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This stuff is very, very, very strong, so please don't use more than that. And you could actually add this at the end, but this is where I like to do my seasoning. So I'm gonna also add just a couple of sprinkles of salt here, not too much, because we're gonna add the cheese and that's gonna give it some salt flavor as well. Now I'm gonna go in with some ground black pepper. And then we're gonna give that a good whisk. Make sure that's incorporated. And it is starting to smell wonderful in here now, guys. This is the time we'll start adding our broccoli. We're gonna use 3 cups, but if you wanna add more, even if you wanna add some different vegetables, you could do that here. I'm just using broccoli today. Okay, so now we can put the lid on and let that cook on medium heat for about 20-25 minutes. Using a fork, we're just gonna make sure the broccoli is tender as we want it. And then we'll come in with the cheese. I'm using double cheddar, which is just a mild and sharp cheddar mixture. You can use whatever your favorite is. We'll incorporate this into the other ingredients at this time and give it a gentle stir. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Just stir it, get the cheese incorporated through and through. Put the lid on, turn the heat off, let it sit 5 to 10 minutes, and it'll thicken up just even more. Hey guys, we're back with the finished product. The broccoli and cheddar cheese soup. Look at that thickness. Yes. And for the taste, that was so good, guys. Simple, quick, and easy. Hope you have a chance to try it. Don't forget, you're gonna need a big spoon for this one. If you haven't already subscribed, guys, please subscribe to support the channel. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.